In the context of increasingly developing industrialization, the application of technology and machinery in production fields has become an indispensable factor. The logging industry, a traditional field that has relied on manual labor and rudimentary tools, is no exception. The use of machinery in logging not only brings significant economic benefits, but also contributes to environmental protection, improves working conditions, and promotes sustainable development. Improved work efficiency. First of all, machinery helps to increase work efficiency and save significant time. In the past, when manual labor was relied upon, the logging process was often lengthy and challenging, especially in felling and transporting large trees. These stages not only consumed a lot of time, but also required a great deal of physical effort from workers. However, with the advent and development of machinery such as chainsaws, excavators, and automated transport systems, this work has become much faster and more efficient. In a short amount of time, modern equipment can complete a workload that previously required dozens of people and many days to finish. As a result, the volume of harvested timber has significantly increased, helping the wood industry to grow robustly and meet the ever-growing demands of the market. Minimizing waste and resource loss. In addition to improving efficiency, machinery also plays a crucial role in minimizing losses and wastage of timber during the logging process. Modern equipment is designed to cut wood with precision, thereby reducing material waste and increasing the utilization value of each tree. When using machinery, loggers can control the wood-cutting process with high precision, thereby optimizing resource utilization. Previously, the use of rudimentary tools often led to damage or waste of a portion of the wood, especially with high-value trees. Now, thanks to modern technology, every inch of wood is maximized, bringing significant economic benefits to logging and wood production businesses. Environmental protection and sustainable development. Another important benefit of using machinery in logging is its positive impact on the environment. When technology was underdeveloped, logging often occurred haphazardly, without planning, leading to deforestation and severe damage to the ecosystem. With the support of advanced machinery, the logging process can be carried out in a more planned and sustainable manner. Modern equipment allows for selective logging, only harvesting trees that have reached the appropriate age without affecting younger trees and the surrounding ecosystem. Furthermore, the use of specialized equipment for transportation also helps minimize impacts on the land and forest environment, thereby protecting the habitats of various species. Additionally, modern technology also allows for more effective forest management. The use of GPS systems and other monitoring tools helps track the logging process, ensuring that all activities comply with environmental protection regulations. This not only helps maintain ecological balance, but also contributes to the sustainable development of the wood industry. Improving working conditions and safety. Not only does the use of machinery in logging provide economic and environmental benefits, but it also significantly improves working conditions for workers. In the past, logging work often required substantial physical effort and posed many dangers due to harsh working conditions in deep forests, complex terrain, and a lack of protective equipment. With the advancement of technology, workers today can work in a safer, less risky environment without facing the heavy and strenuous tasks of the past. Modern machinery not only replaces manual labor in dangerous tasks, but also helps increase productivity. Workers can operate machinery remotely, minimizing direct exposure to hazardous conditions. This not only helps protect the health and safety of workers, but also creates a better, safer working environment and provides them with more stable income. In conclusion, the use of machinery in logging offers numerous significant benefits, including enhancing work efficiency, minimizing resource waste, protecting the environment, and improving working conditions and safety. It is not only an inevitable trend in the process of industrialization, but also an important solution for the sustainable and efficient development of the logging industry. The application of technology in logging not only helps increase the industry's competitiveness, but also ensures a balanced development between the economy and the environment, laying the foundation for long-term and sustainable growth.